Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng full bloom tulips gamit ang local yarns natin, mostly Indophil 4-ply yarns and some DK weight yarns. Ito nga pala ang mga materials na gagamitin natin for today. Itong red yarn na to, nabili ko din sa Baguio Hanger Market. Medyo kasing kapal lang niya yung Indophil 4-ply yarn. Unahin natin gawin ang small petal. So first we're going to chain 13. On the second chain from the hook, mag-start tayo ng 1 single crochet and then 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. And then we're gonna work 1 double crochet into each of the next 7 chains. After that, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next, and 3 single crochet into the very last chain. Ngayon, sa opposite side naman tayo mag-work ng stitches. Bale, dito sa next available stitch, mag-work tayo ng 1 single crochet. And then, 1/2 double crochet into the next. Tapos, 1 double crochet into each of the next 7 stitches. So, bale kung ano yung stitch na nasa opposite side, yun din ang stitch na ilalagay natin. Now, 1/2 double crochet in the next, at dun sa pinaka last, 1 single crochet. After that, we're going to work a slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1, at i-insert na natin yung wire. 1 single crochet on top of the single crochet. Bale, dapat meron tayong 12 single crochet stitches sa row na to. Tapos, once we get to the middle of the 3 single crochet, maglalagay ulit tayo ng increase or 3 single crochets. Tapos 1 single crochet into each of the next 12 stitches. Once done, papaikot natin yung yarn dun sa isang wire and then slip stitch to end around and then chain 1, cut off the yarn. Tapos, ipapaikot natin yung yarn around the wire. Bali, gagawa tayo ng 3 piraso nito. So, nakagawa na tayo ng isa. Gagawa pa tayo ng 2. At ito na nga tapos na ang ating 3 small petals. Next naman is gagawa tayo ng mga mas malalaking petals. 3 piraso din ang kailangan natin. Sa paggawa ng mas malaking petal, we need to chain 15. On the second chain from hook, we're gonna work 1 single crochet. and then 1/2 double crochet into the next chain, and then 1 double crochet into each of the next 9 chains. After niya, mag-work tayo ng half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next, and then 3 single crochet into the very last stitch or chain. Once done, we will just mirror what we did in the opposite side. So we'll start with 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet into the next, and then 1 double crochet into each of the next 9 stitches. And then 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the very last stitch, and that ends the first round. To close the round, we're going to work a slip stitch, chain 1, and then after we chain 1, we're going to work half double crochet this time. So insert the wire, work half double crochet. There should be 14 half double crochets on this side. So on the bottom side, it will be the same. So we're just going to work 1 half double crochet into each of those stitches on this side, and then once we get to the middle of the 3 single crochet, that's when we work the increase. On the second of the 3 single crochet, we're going to work 3 half double crochets. So itong 3 half double crochets na to, nagiging rounded yung ating petal pag nilagay mo tong increase na to. And then once we get to the other side, we'll just work 1/2 double crochet into each of those remaining stitches. Alam niyo rin ba na yung mga Indophil 4-ply yarns nung pumunta ako sa Baguio Hanger Market para mag-check, yung mga dark colors, medyo makakapal ang texture niya. Compared dito sa mga light colors, mas soft sila. So, I'm guessing dahil siguro sa pagkakakulay sa kanila. And of course, kapag may mga projects ka na ganito, make sure na enough yung nabili mong batch of the same color. Kasi, kapag binalikan mo sila sa hanger market, iba na yung dye lot nila, iba na yung batch number nila. So, yung shade niya, maiiba rin. Ayan, so after matapos na natin lagyan ng half double crochet, paikot natin ulit yung yarn around the wire. And then, to close the round, we're gonna work a slip stitch. Tapos, sa likod na yung chain 1. And then, we cut off the yarn at ipapaikot natin yung excess yarn doon sa wire para maitago. So, gawa pa tayo ng 2 piraso nito to complete our petals. By the way, kung gusto nyong masinsin yung ginawa nyong petal, pwede nyo pa rin paliitin yung hook, like 2.5 ang gamitin nyo kung gusto nyo mas masinsin, but I think it's okay. Ito naman, gagawa tayo ng leaf, and ito hinati ko sa gitna yung floral wire, and then mag-chain ako ng 31. And then once done on the second chain from hook, dun sa back chain niya tayo mag-work ng single crochet. And then one single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Dun ako sa back chain nag-work para mas maganda siyang tingnan yung leaf natin. One half double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So, kapag Indophil ang gamit nyo, like this one, medyo dark siya, mas makapal siya ng konti. But, generally, it's like DK weight naman. And then, into the next stitch, we're gonna work 1 double crochet. So, dapat meron tayong 18 double crochets. Individual yun. And then, ang susunod naman is we're gonna work 1 half double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. One single crochet into each of the next 2 chains. So, nasa last chain na tayo. Pagdating sa last chain, we're gonna just work 2 single crochet. Ito yung pinaka-tip ng ating leaf. And then we're gonna bend the floral wire. And then into the next available stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet into the next. So we're just going to mirror what we did on the opposite side. Yan. So after nito, we're almost done. We will just work the same number of stitches that we did on the other side. So after working 18 double crochets, we will work 1 half double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, and then we will work 1 single crochet into each of the last 3 remaining stitches. Actually, slip stitch yung ginawa ko for the last stitch, but you can do single crochet. But I think it will not make a difference. So after that, we're going to close off the round by working a slip stitch into the very first single crochet that we have made. Pero paikot muna natin yung yarn around the wire. And then after that, we're going to do the slip stitch. And then we're going to chain at the back. And leave about 3 inches of yarn. Kasi yung yarn na yun, ipapaikot ulit natin dun sa wire. And then we're almost done. Next is we're going to assemble the tulip. Kung hindi kayo gagamit ng floral wire sa petals natin, pwede rin naman kaso medyo malambot siya at madali siyang ma-deform, unlike pag meron siyang floral wire kahit dun sa leaf. So kung ayaw nyong medyo lantang tignan yung flower nyo and yung leaf, make sure na maglagay kayo ng floral wire. Anyway, medyo mura lang naman siya kung bibili kayo ng maramihan. Ang susunod na gagawin natin is i-assemble na natin yung ating tulip. So, uunahin natin yung stamen. Nabili ko din to online. So, kailangan natin ng maiksing floral wire para ilagay sa gitna at ma-hold para maging 6 siya. Kasi usually 6 lang naman yung stamen ng ating tulip. And ang color niya is usually contrasting dun sa color. Kaya lang, tinerno ko dun sa color ng petal para ano siya, uniform. But usually ang stamen ng tulip is from red to black, ganon. And then ipapaikot ko yung yarn around habang nagstick din ako ng glue gun para ma-hold in place siya. So mas maganda yung yarn ang ipapaikot mo kasi pag sa floral wire medyo nakikita yung wire. So, mas magandang ito. Saka mas na-hold niya in place yung mga petals. Ito nga palang yarns na to is Indophil 4-ply. So, ang gusto ko sa paggamit ng Indophil 4-ply is marami tayong choices of colors na mapipili. Like, talagang marami, as many as 20 colors. Kaya kung mapupunta ka sa Baguio Hanger Market, may enjoy mo yung mga colors and for sure marami kang flowers na magagawa. Ang Indophil 4-ply naman kasi is naghihimol mo lang siya kapag in contact siya. Kunyari, gumawa ka ng phone pouch na Indophil 4-ply yarn, tapos nilalagay mo siya sa bag, so nagagasgasan siya ng ibang mga gamit sa bag. Ipapaikot ko lang yung yarn hanggang sa makarating ako sa medyo, siguro mga nasa 3 inches. Tapos ilalagay ko na yung dahon. Papaikot ko, tapos lalagyan ko muna ng glue gun. Yun, hindi ko na napakita sa video, pero medyo matagal yung process. And then, pag nakabuka yung bulaklak, eto siya. So, Indophil 4-ply itong yarn na to. Pag pumunta ka sa hanger market, marami kang colors na pagpipilian. Kaya ito ang mas preferred ko pag gagawa ng bulaklak. Hindi naman siya ganun kahimol-mol. Yung deep purple na yon, ang gamit ko naman is double pull na lanalon or double strand. So, kung makikita nyo, wala masyadong difference sa sizes nila. So, itong red, para siyang yung familia or yung mga regular na acrylic yarn. Medyo madulas siya. And, konti lang yung colors na napili ko noon sa hanger market. Mas marami pa rin colors na available sa Indophil 4-ply yarn. Just in case na gusto nyo iba't ibang kulay ng mga yarns, ganun. So, mas maganda kung sa Baguio kayo mismo bibili kasi doon pipili nyo yung mga color na gusto nyo. And usually, kompleto ang colors sa Indophil 4-ply. Yun sa Lanalo naman, mas mahal ng konti. Limited lang yung colors niya and per 100 grams ang benta sa mga cake. Unlike sa Indophil, umaabot ng 300 grams per cake. And mas mura ng konti sa Lanalon. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment down below for your requests, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.